Dear friends, today I'll talk about the Nepali version of image mapping, focusing on life after the earthquake disaster in April 2015. Two-dimensional mapping is a method to visualize one's thinking and concerns by arranging keyword cards on horizontal axis and then vertical axis. Originally, this method was developed to sense and discover one's own unique lifestyle in community health settings. Knowing oneself is a starting point of health promotion and education because people have inability to reflect and change their way of life. This ability is further empowered in communicative and collaborative situations when people get to know oneself as well as other people's situations. By setting different axes and different card sets, we can expand the theme of mapping not only to daily life, but also to other topics such as disaster experiences. I am living in Japan. Islands of Japan are the result of large oceanic movements occurring over millions of years. Japan is also situated in a volcanic zone. Therefore, even after I developed this method in 1989, I had chances to apply the method to local people, especially children hit by the disaster such as Mount Unzen volcanic eruption, earthquake of Hanshin Awaji, Chuetsu, and Great East Japan earthquake. I'm a member of NPO Wellbeing working for health promotion. ADCN, Association of Dental Corporation in Nepal, is our sister organization working for health promotion of Nepal. In this September, 3 ADCN members visited Nepal to understand people's concerns and found that largest concerns were their children's mental and spiritual health. Therefore, my friends and I have started to develop Nepali version of mapping to approach Nepal children. Several members of ADCN and I formed a task force to develop Nepali version. Our initial mission was to indicate Nepali children's typical concerns and to determine appropriate axes, locating and mapping concerns. Dr. Shuichi Nakamura and Dr. Amit Kanal gave us critical advices. Recently, we had a chance to read narrative essays of Nepali children. In this month, Dr. Amit came to Fukuoka bringing with 40 children's essays, which he collected from several schools under the help of children and teachers. In one afternoon, Dr. Amit read aloud children's essays in English, and we took notes focusing on events and emotional expressions. Then we used KJ method to identify key situations relating to earthquake experiences, and finally, 16 typical situations were selected. Ms. Noriko Ida, an illustrator, drew impressive pictures to visualize situations, and Dr. Amit added Nepali characteristics. In the original Japanese earthquake versions of mapping, the horizontal and vertical axes corresponded to degrees of dislike and degrees of joy. As for the axis suitable for Nepali children, we discussed about the difference of emotional expressions between Japanese children and Nepali children. Finally, we selected badness as the horizontal axis and goodness as the vertical axis. At the beginning of mapping, all of 16 keyword situation cards are scanned, separated, checked, and selected to visualize one's unique life and the earthquake. Some unneeded cards are excluded. You can make your own card using blank ones. Then participants are requested to sort cards on the horizontal axis, not bad, a little bad, very bad. In this step, participants focus on bad memory of their earthquake experiences. Then participants are guided to shift their attention to vertical axis. The upper end shows very good. The middle shows a little good. Participants are guided to move and arrange cards along the vertical axis. Not good, a little good, very good. In this step, participants are encouraged to focus on good memory embedded in bad memory. Now, mapping procedure finished. This is the completed map reflecting one's earthquake experiences. Each participant accomplishes a unique map corresponding to one's unique experiences. In the later steps, the accomplished maps help participants to reveal, narrate, communicate, and share one's unique experiences with other participants. Our lifestyle and memory is obviously influenced, modified, encouraged, or reconstructed by the lifelong process of socialization. Two-dimensional map will help people and children to know oneself as well as other people meaningfully. Such kind of mutual understanding will foster our inner power to overcome difficulties.